Today I'm going to show you how to back up Outlook emails directly from your browser. This is incredibly useful when you need to save important emails locally or create a backup without using the desktop application. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook web app. Simply type in the URL for Outlook on the web in your browser and log into your account using your credentials. Once you've entered your email address and password, your account will load and you'll see all your emails appear in the inbox. This web-based version gives you full access to your emails without needing to install any software, which makes it perfect for quick backups. Once your email has been loaded, navigate to the inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all your incoming emails are stored. Now comes the important part, selecting which emails you want to back up. You can choose specific emails or select multiple ones at once. When you've located the email you want to back up, simply click on the checkbox that appears next to it. This checkbox is usually on the left side of each email entry. Clicking it will highlight the email, indicating it's been selected. After selecting the email, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this context menu, you can directly see the download option. This is the key feature that allows you to back up your emails. When you click download, you'll be given the choice to save the email as either an EML file or an MSG file. Both formats preserve the email content, attachments, and formatting, making them perfect for backup purposes. Choose the format that works best for your needs. EML files are more universally compatible, while MSG files work particularly well with Microsoft applications. If you want to back up your whole inbox, you can repeat this same process for multiple emails. Simply select all the emails you need by clicking their checkboxes one by one, or use the Select All option if you want to back up everything at once. Then right-click, choose Download, and save them in your preferred format. The files will download to your browser's default download location, where you can organize them into folders for safekeeping. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Outlook emails directly from the browser without needing any additional software. This method gives you complete control over which emails to save and where to store them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.